I'm Eileen.
Hi, I'm Cheri. I have 4 food allergies. Our goal is to provide delicious meal ideas your whole family will enjoy. Today, we're making a light and creamy pasta dish, creamy garlic penne.
It uses gluten-free penne pasta, mushrooms, and diced tomatoes, plus our own creamy garlic sauce.
It's a simple dish, and you can serve it to your vegan friends. For the sauce, we have butter, garlic, Italian seasoning, Cheri's HazelCream, shredded parm, salt, and pepper. I'm going to start the sauce by melting the butter. Now I'm going to add in the garlic and the seasonings. Now I'm going to add in the Cheri's HazelCream. Make sure you whisk it well. It takes a while for it to incorporate. Now I'm going to turn off the heat and add in my parm. That's all there is to my creamy garlic sauce. You won't have to worry about vampires after you eat this one.
I'm adding the gluten-free penne pasta to my boiling water. I'm going to cook that for about 8 minutes, uncovered. Mushrooms, I'm going to saute the mushrooms, gently cook them, let the moisture release from the mushrooms. I have my heat on about medium-high. Just put them in the pan and let them be. Don't stir them. I'm going to check on my pasta. I'm going to stir that just a little bit so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Just a gentle rolling simmer. I want the water to be released slowly from these mushrooms. They actually have a fair amount of moisture in them, but for them to caramelize, you need to get rid of the water. You can actually smell the caramelization. And they're starting to sweat. I can see the moisture being released from each of the mushroom slices. That's a poster child mushroom right there. Beautiful. You want them all to look like that. When you heat sugars, they caramelize, and when they caramelize, it makes those wonderful brown notes, and they're sweet and delicious. On our pasta. It's been 8 minutes. I'm going to check to see if the pasta is al dente. Ah, my fingers did the test. Drain the pasta. Put it back in the pasta pan. Now I'm going to finish my mushroom mixture. Tomatoes. There we go, mushrooms and tomatoes. I'm going to add the mushroom and the tomato mixture to the penne pasta.
Eileen, are you ready for my garlic creamy sauce?
It's delicious.
Here we go.
Pour it in. Just going to mix that in. Perfect consistency. Oh my goodness. The Italian herbs.
Let's eat. Eileen, I can't wait to try our dish. It's a garlicky, creamy penne with mushrooms and tomatoes.
It makes a great vegan dish, but also if you want to add protein, you can add chicken, you could have beef, or even some seafood.
Let's try. Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.